In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a survey from a template. You can use one of our expert survey and report templates and save time. We have more than 120 templates ready, all available in 8 languages: English, Danish, Dutch, Norwegian, Swedish, German, Spanish, and French. When you use a template, you can customize the survey and reports to fit your goals and brand. To create a survey from a template, click on the Surveys area icon, then click New in the side menu. Then you can click on a category, such as Customer Experience, to see a preview of the templates within it. If you click on a template, you'll see a preview of the survey questions as well. For today's example, we'll use customer satisfaction. Many of our templates, such as the customer satisfaction template, are the same ones our consultants use with clients. When you find a template you want to use, click Next. Then you can start by giving a survey a name. Here I will write Enalyzer's Customer Satisfaction Survey. For some templates, you'll see merge fields. These allow you to insert information automatically throughout the survey. For example, if we write Enalyzer under organization name and survey platform under category, that information will automatically appear in the survey text, making it more relevant to your organization. Next, select the languages you want to include. In this example, we'll choose English and Danish, as our clients will receive the survey in both languages. If a report is available, and in most cases there is, you can choose to include it as part of your template. These reports are designed by our experts and will be added to your report library, ready to use. Click Next, and your survey is now created from a template. From here, you can edit the survey, update the design, and make any other changes you like before sending it to respondents. Once you start collecting data, the report will automatically update with the incoming responses, giving you valuable insights. And that's how you create a survey from a template.